A quality gimbal not only reduces unwanted motion but also allows for creative camera movements, enabling you to achieve professional-grade shots with minimal effort. In this video, we will talk about 3 best gimbals for GoPro cameras.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Hohem iSteady Pro 4. The Hohem iSteady Pro 4 is a well-rounded gimbal that is compatible with various GoPro models, providing impressive stabilization for dynamic activities. Its 3-axis stabilization system ensures steady shots by compensating for unwanted camera shake across multiple directions, delivering smooth video in real time. The design features a quick-release clip that allows for fast and secure mounting of your camera without the need for additional tools. The gimbal is also splash-proof, making it a reliable option for outdoor use in light rain or damp conditions. With multiple shooting modes such as pan-follow, lock mode, and POV mode, it enables users to experiment with different styles of footage. The intuitive control panel allows for quick adjustments on the go, while the long battery life supports extended filming sessions without interruption. Compact and lightweight, the Hohem iSteady Pro 4 is an excellent choice for creators who need portability and performance in one device. On number 2, we have Aochuan Gimbal. The Aochuan Gimbal offers a combination of robust build quality and advanced stabilization technology, making it a strong contender for professional and recreational use. Its high-torque motor system is engineered to handle fast-paced movements, ensuring that the camera stays steady even during intense activities. The GoPro gimbal offers a variety of shooting modes, unlocking endless creative possibilities for photography and videography. From simple pan and tilt actions to advanced follow and lock functions, it allows you to capture smooth, dynamic shots from multiple perspectives. Whether filming sweeping landscapes or immersive close-up scenes, it delivers breathtaking visuals that engage your audience. Powered by a built-in 6,400 mAh Li-ion battery, the Smart G1 gimbal provides up to 20 hours of standby time after just a 4.5-hour charge, enabling long filming sessions without worrying about running out of power. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly OLED panel display shot modes, battery status, and Bluetooth connectivity in real time, allowing you to preview footage and fine-tune settings for perfect framing, giving you the freedom to capture flawless shots every time. On number 3, we have Feiyu Mini 3 Pro Gimbal. The Feiyu Mini 3 Pro Gimbal is designed for those who need a compact yet powerful stabilization tool for their GoPro. Featuring a lightweight construction without compromising durability, this gimbal is perfect for travel and on-the-go filming. The Feiyu Mini 3 Pro Gimbal stabilizer for smartphones features a dual-mode design with an ergonomic grip and a detachable remote handle, offering maximum creative flexibility. Compatible with GoPro, it allows quick horizontal and vertical switching without the need for rebalancing, making it ideal for capturing varied shots on the go. Its innovative electric magic wheel provides precise, multifunctional control, enabling direct command over gimbal axis rotation and camera electronic zoom. This intuitive feature ensures flawlessly smooth cinematic movements, effortless zoom adjustments, and professional quality results for every shoot. Whether used for capturing extreme sports, scenic landscapes, or casual vlogs, the Feiyu Mini 3 Pro delivers reliable performance and a highly portable form factor. So these are some of the best gimbals to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.